Assalamualaikum and salam satu Malaysia. I am Nordina Syaratul Mahadi from UNT News. Today we are going to talk about the issue that always happen in UNT. One of it is a flood. Flood is always happen in monsoon season. So we are going to interview some of people from outside and inside of UNT about the flood, about this issue. So I am going to pass this issue to another reporter to ask a few people.
Hi, I'm Zaki from the NT News. I would like to interview you relating to the flood occurred in the area of UNT and UNIZA. What's your name and were you involved in the flood?
Hi, my name is Nabila binti Shahdan, and yes, I was involved in the flood. I believe I was in my second semester of degree.
Is this your first time experiencing flood or have you experienced it before?
Yes, it was my first time.
On a scale of 1 to 10, how much would you rate the experience?
I would rate the experience 7 out of 10.
Did your class go on as usual? Was it difficult to carry on with your assignment and carry out our discussion?
Some classes did go on as usual. We even had some tests and quizzes in class, so we had to go to class. Um, Regarding assignments and discussion, um, we discussed between friends not to have any discussions outside of at the cafes or at restaurants so that we don't have so that we're not in so that we're all safe and not involved in the flood. Yes.
How did the university handle the situation and did they provide you enough essential?
I believe the university handled the situation quite well. They provided us with enough food and made sure we were all, stayed safe, stayed indoors. Classes were cancelled after a few days of the heavy rain.
What do you think was the cause of the flood?
I believe the cause of the flood was due to small drains. There wasn't enough space for the heavy rain to flow through, and from all the littering, so that's caused some kind of clogs in the drain.
Glad that they have taken care of the situation. Thank you for your time.
Good evening. My name is Prem Kumar. Today I'm going to interview Mr. Tivinesh about the flooding issue in the university. So today we're going to meet Mr. Tivinesh about and ask the question about the flooding in the university. Hi, Mr. Tivinesh. How are you?
Yeah, fine.
Okay. Firstly I want to ask about why did this flooding happen in the university?
Okay. Flooding happened in this university is because of poor management of drainage system. Poor management of drainage system means people are responsible. People are not maintaining the drainage system properly.
Other than that, what are the effects of the flooding
Okay,
to
effect.
the student and the public?
Okay. Effect of this flooding causes a lot of public properties to be damaged, such as telephone booth, signboards in the road in the universities, which are very essential to and very important to the students. At the same time, it also affects a lot of public properties of universities, such as computers and other projectors and others for studying purpose. So thus this will cause a lot of problem in the studying environment of these students.
After that, in your opinion, how to solve the flooding? How to
Okay.
improve the
Okay, so to solve the problem of flooding, students must take action by not throwing rubbish and dumping things into the drainage, so that it will block the drainage system and it will cause flood. So students have to take the first measure for not throwing rubbish into the drainage. So thus this will help reduce the flooding.
Thank you, Mr. Dinesh, for your cooperation.
Thank you.
Thank you for studio. Now I would like to interview one of the university students. This is one of UMT student. Okay. The question is, I think a flood might be coming soon. This local area. What should you do?
I guess the first thing I should do is find a shelter and maybe get some food and clothes. I guess that's it.
You have any experience about flood?
No, because I live in a very high area, so that area doesn't usually get flooded.
What will happen when UMT get flood?
Okay, when you have to get flooded, sometimes because of the lecturer and students can't go to class, so usually class is cancelled.
Okay, thank you.
In
Thank you for
conclusion,
your
flood previously the black history at UNT. This flood have negative impact on student and UMT management. One of the factor cause flood is the drain is not big to support the water flow. Some of people not take responsible like littering the rubbish. When this occurred, people must take short away from the flood and take everything in higher place. Because this flood can make disease and property damage. Please call 999 for emergency call. I'm Muhammad Karul Nizam from UNT News.